Alright, how about a quick tip video on Honda wiper blades? Alright, now if you didn't know, most of these Hondas, you can just replace the blade itself, just the rubber piece. Makes it cheaper and easier, so that's what I do. But that's not why I'm making this video. If you ever replace them, you know that, or if you've ever replaced any wiper blades, you know that there's a metal insert in here. You can see I'll take one out right here. But what you may not have noticed is that there's a curve. Can you see that that's curved? And you can see that's how it looks. And that's normal. That's how Honda makes them. And I just want you to know that the ends of these go in a certain orientation. On the driver's side, they go up like that. The ends need to be in the up position so that the middle is pressed down harder. Over here on the passenger side, they're the other way around, just like that. And this one was installed correctly because that's how it was. So the ends go down on the passenger side. Alright, now even though that's the general rule for many Hondas, it's not that way, it's not absolute. You can see I have, this is off of a Civic, this blade right here that I'm replacing. And you can see, well, it's hard to tell, but the curve is going that way, the opposite of the way the blade is. And so that'll press down in the center. This is the correct way for this Civic. And if you put it in backwards, you'll definitely have a problem with the center of your wiper blade working properly on your Civic. But now here, this is a blade off of an Accord, and you can see it's going the other way. These are both the driver's side, by the way. And you can see with the notch right there, it lines up with a little rubber notch right on the inside there. And so if we tried to put them on back the other way, they would definitely be an issue because these metal blades would not sit in there properly. So that's a good indication of whether it needs to go that way or not, as if the notches don't line up, then this rule probably doesn't apply to that vehicle. Hopefully this quick tip video gives you something to think about in case you're having issues installing these wiper blade inserts. Sometimes they go one way, sometimes they go the other way. And as always, if the video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.